No, it's a good thing.
He loves feeding the dog. Whoa, get your hands out. There you go. Well, your fingers are sticky.
Why don't you do this one again? Come here. You want to wash your hands? You want to do this one again? Come here. Look, right here. So Alfie over there is about 2 years old. He's still got a little bit of growing to do, and Charlie is a bully. He's going to shove him out of the way and say, I want all the carrots.
Uh-oh. Oh, they're fighting for your carrots. Hey guys, it's Amada with Winter Haven Food Tours. I'm with my family, and we're about to go do goat yoga. Yeah. Goat yoga at Bell Farms. Yay! We're super excited to go try this, and I can hear the roosters. You hear the roosters, Zero? Look at the roosters. Hogs and everything. Oh, they're so cute. He is a piggy. It's Peppa Pig. Well, Peppa Hog. So we did the goat yoga at Bell's Farm, and it was so much fun. They were not stinky. They were very sweet. I got some good takes of them chewing on my straw and like fun stuff like that. And my family enjoyed it. Did you name them all, or did you count them? My kids in the back. Say hi, Zero. Bye. And we just had a good time. It's 10:17. We got there at 8:15, so we've been at this farm for 2 hours, and time flew by. It did start to pour down rain a little bit, as you guys can see. A little bit of rain starting to come down, so we took our tour leave a little early, but I can't wait to go back and take the rest of the tour because it was really interesting, and what a great little spot. So thank you guys for watching, and if you ever come to Central Florida or you're interested in a food tour, check us out, winterhavenfoodtours.com. Stay tuned for more adventures.